Our goal for this problem is to rewrite some of these powers because we don't want negative exponents. Remember there's a rule where, let's say for example, we had x to the power of -1. That's actually the same thing as 1 over x. And conversely, if we had 1 over x to the power of -1, well then that's just the same thing as x over 1, or just x. Okay, so taking a look at what we have here, I notice I've got x to the power of -3. So if you wanted to rewrite that to have a positive exponent of 3, we would just need to flip it into the denominator. And now all of a sudden it's got a positive exponent of 3. Similarly, we've got in the denominator, we've got y to the power of -2. So then to make that y squared, we would want to write it in the numerator. And y to the power of 1/3 will just remain the same, as well as x to the power of 1/2. Okay, well, we can rewrite y to the power of 1/3 as the cubed root of y. And we can also write x to the power of 1/2 as the square root of x. And just a reminder, that's kind of this rule how you can switch back and forth between powers and radicals. For example, if we had x to the power of a over b, that's the same thing as the bth root of x to the power of a. So b represents the index of that radical. So that's kind of what just happened there. So hope that's helpful. And we can see that matches option D. Thanks for choosing JD's Prep.